Hi, class. This is Mrs. Dixon, and I am in the building, but I have a substitute so that I can plan and get lessons ready for you. So I thought I'd make this video to let you know what to do during English language arts. So right now, you are going to work with a partner and practice some of the skills that we've been practicing this week. If you remember correctly, we've been analyzing plot elements like rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution, and we've been working with author's message. So you are going to do that with a partner. There are two stories to pick from. One story is called The Elephant and the Blind Men. And the other story is called The Golden Bird. These are cards that open up that you're going to read. You only need one card per partner. So like Matreko and Ava, your partners, and you will have one card and you can pick from either story. And that goes for all of the other partners. Notice I have listed the partners on the screen and I expect you to follow those partners. So let's look at what you will be doing with your book. It's like a card, but it's a story. So here we go. You will have a handout. It's not on the computer, so you will not need your computer for this activity. I would like you to put your computer in your desk. You will need a pencil or something to write with. You're going to read the card together with your partner, and while you're reading, you are going to do a Foursquare summary. You'll write the title of the story you chose on the front side of your paper. You will write beginning in one square B, and you're going to read page 1 and 2. Then you're going to write a quick summary about what you read, like a headline, like I've trained you. Then you'll read pages 3 through 4, and you'll write a summary about what you read. Then you'll read pages 5 through 6 and write a summary about what you read. That's the first activity that you need to do with the story. The second activity is I want you to make a plot line. It doesn't have to be very long, and on the back side you'll notice I put the plot line that we've been using. So above the plot line you could write for number 1 the character, the setting. For the exposition, over number 2 you could write what the conflict was, and so on. So you will fill out a plot line for the story you read. Finally, on the third activity on the back side of the paper is a theme activity. We did this for our story on Thunder Rose, and you'll do this for the story that you chose. You'll answer, what is this story mostly about? What happens to the characters? What lesson does a character learn or teach? And finally, you'll tell me, what is the theme or message? So all of this is due. You have an hour to work on it. And once you're done, you can, actually, let me go back a slide. When you're done, I said you can read a book. I'll add that. You can read a book on the Epic folder about traditional tales. Thank you. And my expectation is that you finish the front and the back completely of the paper that I'm assigning. Enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.